now we are at Goldstream Park. And we've lived in Victoria for
a while to get here.
3 years and we've never been to this park.
The wrong direction.
Yeah, we did go the wrong way. But it's really green. And apparently up ahead there is a waterfall. So we're gonna try to go there. We have the carrier to put Otis in. To carry him, I think, because there's a part we can't have the stroller. So that's what we're doing. It's a nice day. Just had church this morning. And now we're going for a walk. A really nice area. Looks like we're in a jungle, Otis. Are we in a jungle? Yeah. Wow. Really nice. Palm trees. All right, so this is the part. Did we keep going straight? We're gonna go in that tunnel. Apparently that leads to a waterfall. I'm a little spooked out, but okay, let's go. Oh, you can see good under here though. I'm using my camera to see. Oh, what happened to your light? Oh, there. This is spooky. Carrying this. The things we do so we can go on a hike with the baby. Okay. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh, it looks like they made this pathway because it preserves the park more.
Oh, good.
Right? I think staying on this so that you can't go and damage. And I think that's what I understand.
That's good.
So this is Cathedral Grove. Oh, look at this tree. This tree's pretty big. Like in perspective to a kid, and that's a big tree. Whoa. So this park has trees that are, I think, up to 800 years old. And they're very tall and very wide and very green. Right, Christian?
Yeah. Oh, I wanna feel something. I just wanna breathe again. Dive into the deepest end. Oh, I wanna feel something. Let me get back in my body. Oh, I wanna open my
Avocado. Baby food. From scratch. Gotta blend it in here. This is first time trying solid food. Organic avocado. What is it? Yummy! I don't know if he swallowed any yet, but... I'm making dinner tonight in this crock pot we just got. Crock pots are the best, especially when you have kids, making quick meals that are still nutritious. So I just threw in some potatoes and some veggies and herbs, and now I'm gonna add some pork chop. Okay, we got the pork chops in now. And now I'm just gonna turn it on and we're gonna come back when it's done. Chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie.
I know that healing is for me. I wanna breathe again. Oh, I wanna feel something. I just wanna.
We are walking along this trail. Christian. Otis is in this little travel stroller we got on Facebook Marketplace for $20.
Yep.
We already have a stroller, but this is convenient for like going.
It's an UPA.
It's also an UPA.
And I'm going to tell you this. I'll tell you this right now. This is no joke. Okay? That other one that we have, super nice. Beautiful.
We love that stroller.
People who gifted us, thank you very much. It's about $1,500.
Brand new.
Brand new. If we weren't going to be gifted that one, I'd just get this one. It's
Yeah,
20
like
bucks.
if you're on a budget.
It's really good. It's super light. It's super sturdy, and I'm super cheap. And I'm not gonna pay $1,500. 20 bucks is more than enough.
Yeah, but like this actually isn't 20 bucks. This is the $200 stroller, brand new. I just got this one off Facebook Marketplace for $20. It's used. That's why you can hear it squeaking. It's breaking, but it's good. We actually bought it for traveling on the plane.
Yep.
But now we found it's kind of convenient when we want to go to the beach or something because you can just hold it. But the other stroller is way better for like.
Oh yeah, way better.
It's a better stroller. It's just heavy, so it's not really good for traveling. It has a little dog. But there's all different purposes for all different types of strollers, so I'm glad we have both. I know. Hi, little doggy. Little doggy. Go attack my baby. Otis, look, he doesn't even see. Otis not even. Otis didn't even see the dog.
Really tiny little dog.
Yeah. Go perfect. Is he outside?
No.
Seriously? Oh, he can come with us. Come with us, little doggy. Come in. Oh. No, Pomeranians bite. Oh, Pomeranian's so cute. Where is the owner? Unless, do you think he lives on someone's house over here?
That's a really small dog.
He's so small. Bye, Pomeranian. Oh. Hey, you're so cute. Are you lost? We currently have a little dog that seems lost, and it's following us, so we may adopt it. Oh, it's gone. Maybe it's not lost. That's sad. I like Pomeranians though. Very nice in here. I think that's a train track over there. Oh. The dog has been found. There's a little old man, his dog. I think the dog's name is Joey, right? But Christian called him Pickle. Did you tell him that he almost got eaten by a bird?
Yeah.
It didn't though. I could have died. We saved it. We did a good thing today. We've done works today.
Dive into the deepest end. Oh, I wanna feel something, something good, something good, something good. Oh, I wanna feel something,
The heck?
And a popsicle. Popsicle. Come lick it in the camera. What flavor did you get?
Raspberry coconut.
It tastes very healthy, by the way.
Very healthy.
It's organic. Okay, goodbye. Going for a walk. This is on Dallas Road, like this long stretch of greenery. You can walk, go running, and then there's the coast, of course, like the beach. It's really nice. Exploring new places in Victoria. We've lived here now for 4 years, which is crazy. We moved from Alberta 4 years ago, and we love living here. It's expensive, but we love it because there's so much nature everywhere, and the weather is pretty decent year round, so you get to go out a lot. Beautiful. This is like the coast.
This swing! Whoa! Are you having fun, Otis? Swing at the park!